Hello, my name is Kenish Dahal. So this is my video SOP for Master in Information System at CSU Long Beach. I've always thought what could I have done if I had more than 24 hours in a day. Like I could have read more books, work extra time on my goals, or even have some more rest. However, I've came to realize that it is not about getting more hours. It is about managing the time we already have. Likewise, the same can be said for the fintech companies. When you look at what makes some of the companies stand out, is that they do not waste time. They are moving to the raw data quickly by using advanced analytical tools to generate insights in real time, which allows them to create results without requiring the additional hours in a day. During my bachelor's, I was introduced to subjects like statistics and database management. While the curriculum was mostly focused on theory, I became genuinely fascinated by how data could explain patterns and predict outcomes and also support smarter decisions. At the same time, I developed an interest in programming and understanding how systems store and process information. So for the first 6 months during COVID-19 at 2020, I learned coding by myself for the 6 months and took 3 months of Java course after that. Following that, I pursued an internship at a software company where I was introduced to backend system, structured database, and real world programming logic. For the first time, I was exposed to how data flows from application level to the backend system and database respectively. In this company, I was also recognized for building an outstanding game using JavaScript, where I use the methods like collision and gaming movement logic, making a game very similar to a famous version called Plant vs Zombie. I also got opportunity to intern at an accounting software company. I particularly assisted cooperative and small business in maintaining balance sheet, journal entries into the system. And at the same time, I used MySQL to retrieve and manage data to reduce data redundancy. After that, I worked at one of the biggest automobile companies of Nepal. I was in the finance department, taking important loan decision using predictive modeling and other various loan metrics. Particularly, I used line chart, bar chart, and other various inside loan metrics of the company to reduce non-performing loan by a significant margin. All this experience really structured my interest into the fintech industry. Moving forward, my short-term goal is to secure a role as a financial analyst in the big companies such as PayPal and JP Morgan. I want to understand how money flows from the pools of millions of transactions. I believe the knowledge of Python and advanced database management from the curriculum of Master in Information System will help me to use technical insights and enhance software efficiency. By modernizing how data is accessed and analyzed, I aim to minimize human error and ensure that financial tools are robust as they are fast. I want to be at the forefront of implementing modern tools that transform the way companies retrieve and interpret complex data to achieve smarter business decisions. I see a massive opportunity to apply these skills in Nepal banking and investment system, where most of the decisions in the stock market often rely on guesswork rather than factual data. My long-term goal is to create a one-stop solution platform where investors can easily access visualization tool to analyze company key metrics while also managing investor portfolios with the help of metrics generated by AI. For the main feature on the system, I want to build a payment gateway to buy shares, debenture, and also add more feature instantly connected with the broker accounts, which also helps to create visibility for all parties involved in. On the basic side of feature, I also want to include real-time tracking of investments, targeted news portals, and automated risk assessment on individual need. By integrating these disjointed elements into a single interface, I hope to democratize investment opportunity for every citizen in Nepal. All this experience has shaped me to who I am today, and I feel this it is the perfect time for me to pursue my master in information system. Saying that, I believe having a motivation for doing something large and scalable for the humankind, I would be a great asset asset to your university. Also, when I'm able to share a space with the like-minded scholars and alumni of your university, I'll be closer to attaining my goals. Thank you.